Good morning. Today I'm at a beautiful old mansion house. It's called Shawend Mansion, and it's in over 200 acres. So this is the view from the front. It's a little bit misty today, but I'll show you what we're looking like. So you can see it's a very substantial building, and it's the render is now obviously starting to stain quite badly. Looks like somebody's had a go at doing a test patch there. But so today I'm going to do this stone coins here, the windowsills, the top area there, and then along this side here, that's a lead roof, so I'll have to be careful with that. I'll have to treat that afterwards. I'll stand back and let you see the size of this. So I'm going to allow a few days on this. So there's all these stonework around there. Stone plinth around the middle, and then getting round to see this, and then this end as well. So it's three sides. So this is actually a mansion that was built in, I think it was 1796, by somebody who actually had some mills in the area, and it actually had a big fire in the 80s, and the current owner, they bought it, and there was a lot of fire damage. I think the roof collapsed. It's a grade 2 listed building, so it needed quite a lot of care, and this is going to be a really good project. Really looking forward to this. The water is actually over by this coach house over here, so it's quite a long way. Now I've got 50-metre water hose, and then the owner, he's actually gone for another couple of hoses to see if we can reach my van. So, grade 2 listed building, and it's there's 4 holiday apartments, luxury holiday apartments in here. So I'll put the link up. Called Shawend Holiday Cottages, and it's a really nice venue for weddings, etc. So, but I'm hoping the mist will clear over the next few days. So let's see how we get on with this one. first round of treatment on this gable end, and I'm just letting that dwell for about 30 minutes, 40 minutes. You can see it's still sat on the wall. You can see the bubbles here actually. These are the bubbles, so that's just to hold it on the wall a bit longer. And then this window bottom, treated that, but I'll steam that off in a minute. But, so I'll hot wash that off, and then I'll see whether I need to put another round on. And in the front here I've got to do this now. So I've got to be careful of this roof here. This is lead, so I'll wet it, and fortunately it's starting to drizzle a little bit now, so that's obviously going to help. But I must probably have to put a lead treatment on afterwards. But what I intend to do now is just up to this stonework here. I'll do all this, I think, and then we'll see how we are. So, overall, hasn't gone too bad. So I'll just put a treatment on this now while my water tank's still filling up. It's taking quite a while to fill up because it's obviously a long way from the tap, and I'm only using a small borehole hose, so it's just taking a little bit of a while to fill up. Today at Shawend, and I'll show you what we're looking like. So this was the main wall that we did today, and did half of that. So it's had 2 treatments, and I've left a biocide on it. There's still some dead spores that I can see, and the biocide should clear those, but I'm coming back tomorrow, so we'll see how it looks once it's dried. At the window bottom, that's obviously cleaned up very well, but overall I'm really pleased with how it's looking. As I say, 2 treatments, hot wash and a biocide just left on there now, and then did this along here, and again there's still some dead spores, so I've left a biocide on. And then tomorrow start at that end, come back. So stonework here, I just treated those, and they look like they've cleaned up well, so but I might put some more heat on this. Anyway, thanks for watching for today, and I'll be back tomorrow. So not quite as much to do tomorrow, but as I say, this is a project that I really want to go to town on, so I might be here just tomorrow, or I might extend it if this stonework takes a bit longer than I think. So.